Hello everyone, I'm Sohini Roy Samaddar from Shodhpur. I'm a student of ICA Dalhousie. I have done Certified Industrial Accountant course from ICA along with Advanced Excel course. In CIE or Certified Industrial Accountant course, I have learned business computer application, business accounting, tally, GST, direct tax, and another great module like PDP, which helps me to improve myself and be a proficient resources to crack interview like a pro. And I would like to thank my mentors and my placement coordinators and whole ICA team for giving me the best opportunity to place at the one of the leading importing company like Madhusudan Organics Pvt Limited, and placed in it and with a satisfactory and handsome pay package. So I would like to thank each and every one of ICA team. Thank you.